from the presidency that the President, His Excellency Adama Barrow, witnessed the signing of 4 strategic memorandums of understanding (MOUs) between the government of the Gambia and Heilongjiang province in the People's Republic of China. Now, these MOUs aim to strengthen development cooperation and improve key sectors. One sector, development of water and sports facilities to enhance sports infrastructure and also to provide clean drinking water for the population. The second MOU has to do with the provision of free cataract surgeries for Gambians, offering critical health services to vulnerable citizens. And the third is talent exchange and training programs. And the fourth is supply of non-genetically modified rice seeds. The signing ceremony was done at the State House over the weekend. But also at the same time, the President presided over the 17th convocation of the University of the Gambia, where 1,228 students graduated, both at the postgraduate but also at the undergraduate level. And we say congratulations to the students. The Ministry of Finance also hosted what he called the Citizens Budget Dialogue through the Director of Budget. The aim of this dialogue is to provide a simplified version of the budget. The budget is every Gambian's document. There are 2 documents that are critical for every Gambian to understand and read. That one is the Constitution, which provides your rights and your responsibilities as a citizen, and also the budget. The budget is your money. You want to know how it is spent. You want to know how much is spent on your child's education. You want to know how much is spent on your security. You want to know how much is spent on healthcare, and so on and so forth. So the budget can be a very big and complex document, so that every citizen can access it. It's been simplified, and this simplification is what was done, so that it's called the citizens budget. They simplify it in the different local languages so that we're able to promote transparency and accountability in government. Now, apart from that, the Ministry of Transport also concluded 3-day bilateral engagement with Senegal Minister of Transport to promote collaboration between the 2 countries. I think these are the... Oh, finally, most important, the government of Gambia signed an MOU with Ajib Bank to digitize public payment systems. Obviously, governments strive to fight corruption. This is part of it, and to promote transparency and accountability so that now citizens can pay for government services, like, for example, pay for passports, business registration, land payments, development permits, fishing and quarrying licenses. You don't have to go to the office and pay. It's to reduce cash movement. You now go to the bank and pay. When you pay at the bank, what the bank will do is to consolidate these payments and then transmit it twice weekly to the consolidated accounts of the government of the Gambia. Now, this reform ensures structured, auditable, and efficient flow of public revenue and reduces reliance on cash-based transactions in MDAs.
You can, if you wouldn't mind, summarize it in Mandinka for us.
Wala baraka mbadingol mbal tentula mbal jela mbal konton na bake fang kabo GRTS jang kanifing ko modu ngana bi nga kibaro mi alan ko le bota man sakunda pour nsafo banko dingol ye kibar follow wolon president His Excellency Luntambal soto mi alan ko le bota Heilongjiang province China inata gambe bankun kan kana gambe dingol jube ela silo nak enen sila fando nara sila fando me anko kumata bake enen man sakunda e si fero ke pour kanyen sila fando ta pour e banko dingol na fala nyamen sila fandi follow wolon ko isi demaro ke pour kaje ko jiko e sone a Gambia anin kaje ko fanan funding kel tulundulal fana yelo e ka fo sports facilities fulanjang wolon kaje ko fanan nya de sasa ti fado be ka fa katarak aka momote nya ko no o fanan e be mol filanam pour ko sasa fanan jara sabanjang wolon kaje ko karango bundan sa fanundi isa agency mol kije wol kata karankal me chokarang ito fana se moki nan jang kana me choldol karanjang e ka fome ko talent exchange nani jang wolon kaje ko turo mi alon ko e be Gambia solala mi alon ko mo manol lati mani turo pour mi alon ko e ka manol fi nin turo donc sifal dollo mi alon ko jamani ko ta turo lo mi alon ko niya fi akatara ila harvest kasia bake kibar fulan yang wolong sa foko president his excellency batalon chancellor of the university at university kontioti nyin sibito min tambita ten arra faraba kata ningol mi alon ko wolbe karankan andu karanta foi parete be jile ka fami graduation itol mo wuli killing keme fula aning muang aning sei itol le graduate mi alon ko undergraduate mi alon ko first degree aning postgraduate mi alon ko masters level aning hani phd fango dol fango graduate ta jele nying sibito min tambita ten woto on sa foko mu kibar di malati bawo bi karangol ka banko samba nyel dung e jita nyamen ten karangola yana e do ko ke both in the private and then in the public sector ñinata kibado fanana angale ko to wolon president fana be num bisaw la arjumalungo ñinata ko fo kata bisaw kata bero mi alon ko wolani OMVG bayro ndam lero anu fo substation pour kaje ko koranku si sonoya West Africa na region to mi alon ko min ka bo gini Conakry akana aka Guinea Bissau Senegal ani Gambia ka fa OMVG pour asisonea abenum Bissau arara Bissau di ka nying commission ka nying fanko nying commission substation nying commission je ani minister bi rada je kibado wolon kaje ko minister of finance fana project ko start pour kaje ko budget wolon Gambia la de paso mi ay ka me revenue and expenditure estimates mi alon ko kodo min kadu masakunda ani masakunda ka dépasse nyamen ka fa budget sa wo sanga ka bole nyindung e lafta ka ferol mi alon ko pour ka sone andi pour banko dio banko den ibe dawda at e 40 iman karang isa fahamno ya isa long budget o la dépasse ya dépasse nyamen o fana mo kulti mi alon ko mba nyandi la bake nani njangolon ka foko minister of works afananta ta Senegal atata la kafunyoma midji wolon de minister of works of Senegal isikacha pour kajo ko badi ambe gambe Senegal ti masilo karola nin tamo karola isa so nyande nyame min labanda kibarol bunda to wolon Aji Bank ini mansa kunda e agreemento sign le e ka fa MOU pour kajo ko sa mansa kunda momo lafta fenda man sakunda fo passport lombang fo lan registration lombang fengo fe mialon ko service lom man sakunda otume kata biti man sakunda official te kakodo sambe kajo cash ka o cash ko talanak sabita Aji Bank le kata ka joje o dum kulti mialon ka kumata bae saje ko be corruption o talala le bari fanan kajo ko fanan kodo kunda man sakunda atamol bulo kono bera na man sakunda fon account kono so ko ni non ki barol mialon ko wala bara man sakunda